Okay, so we've been learning some Pythagoras stuff. Before we get started in actually calculating some stuff, doing some maths using our calculator, we really need to be able to label our triangle. It's really important that we can find a side called the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay, now the hypotenuse is the longest side of a right-angled triangle. The longest side of a right-angled triangle. Okay, so two really important things there. One, longest side. Two, of a right-angled triangle. A hypotenuse doesn't exist unless the triangle is a right angle. Okay, the other way we look at the hypotenuse is its opposite the right angle. Okay, so the hypotenuse is always in the same spot. It's always opposite the right angle. If you think of it in terms of the real world, when we use the word opposite, often we use it when we're giving someone directions. If somebody asks you, where's the night owl, you could say it's opposite the Lifeline store, which means it's across the road from the store. Okay, so let's take a look at this triangle first of all. We're going to start labeling some sides. Now, the longest side of this triangle is the hypotenuse, but also it's opposite the right angle. That's the way I like to do it. It makes it really nice and simple, makes sure I can't make a mistake. Here's the right angle. Now, the side that is opposite it is right there. Hypotenuse. Okay, next one. Here's my right angle triangle. First step, find the right angle. Here it is. Now the hypotenuse is opposite it. Draw your arrow in. Must be this one. Hypotenuse. Okay, make sure you know how to spell hypotenuse. For the next 4 triangles, I'm going to speed things up. I'm just going to use the letter H just to make things faster. Okay, find the hypotenuse. Remember, it's the longest side, but it's also opposite the right angle. Find the right angle. Across from the right angle is the hypotenuse. Really simple stuff, but it's really important that you can do this stuff. If you have trouble with this, the next couple of videos, the next couple of things that you do aren't going to make any sense. Okay, next, right angle. Across from the right angle, hypotenuse. Here's another right angle triangle. First step, find your right angle. Go opposite the right angle. There's my hypotenuse. And finally, finish it off. Here's my last triangle. Find the angle, opposite, and there's my hypotenuse. Okay, that's finding the hypotenuse. In the next couple of videos, we'll see why we need to do this, how it's going to help us do some maths.